Hello, my dear crafters, just look at this. We have a beautiful hot cocoa pouch that can be used in two ways. So you can either do the full pouch here, as you can see, it's like a little box, and I filled it up with goodies and some decoration, hot chocolate, we have some marshmallow, we have a peppermint here. But you can also, this is a die set, part of the November release by Scrap Diva Designs. You can either do it this way, or you can have a little mug like this, or tea bag. And for this one, I just filled it up with chocolate. We have Ghirardelli chocolate, some tea, peppermint. So you can use it, actually, guys, honestly, for a gift bag. It's a beautiful, very unique gift bag. But for those of you who are doing craft fairs, I have to say last year the item that I sold the most was, it wasn't this one, but it was a tea bag, a box that looked like a tea bag like this one, very similar. It was actually a little, it wasn't as wide as this. And the lady bought everything I had and she wanted me to make more. So something like this is a wonderful gift. And also, of course, you can give this as gifts, Christmas gifts as well. But look at this, absolutely gorgeous. I love this die set. And this one on the back, I even made a little pocket so that you can put a gift card. That's the one we're making together today. So that's my project for you today. Beautiful for gifting and wonderful for craft fairs. I would pack it up with plastic and maybe a little bowl. Same thing here, or maybe put the, you know, like when I fold the paper. Let me show you. I do this, it's simple, but it makes a difference. Because it's food, wrap it up with plastic, okay? So that's it. Let's look at the die set and how to put this together. And please, guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I really want to reach 30,000 this year, and it depends on you. It's quick, it's just one click, and it's free, and it really helps me. Thank you so much. Here's the die set, very straightforward. We have the handle here. We have this back panel here. If you're going to do it like this, using the back panel, so that's what this is. The hot cocoa words, the sides and bottom. You use this for the sides and the bottom, the base of, and this is the front. Very, very easy. So you have the bigger one, which is this one here. This one is more for decoration, and we have a little bit of snow coming down, and the little spoon, which I absolutely love, and I have this coming off. These were supposed to be here. These are just like decoration pieces. Yeah, so that's that. I just added a little charm to mine. So now that you have seen the die set, and I'll have the link below, do use my coupon code Paula for 10% off. And now let's put it together. And here we are. As I told you in the beginning, we're going to make one that looks like a mug or a teacup. And we're not going to use the back, okay? That's the only difference. Instead of cutting the back and then the front, I cut two front parts. So the big one and the small one. This is going to be the front. And on the back, what I did was I glued just the sides. I just put a little bit of glue on the sides because we can use this as a pocket too. For example, for a gift card, or you can put some ephemera here, or a little card, a Christmas card. You can make a little tiny one and put it here. So I just had this idea of using it on the back as well. You don't have to. So we have front and back. I'll put this away. We have two sides that I already glued, and I love that this layering piece here has the stitching. So that's the sides like this. And I'm just going to glue the bottom for you to see. It's the same piece. The only difference is we're going to cut off this flap here because we don't need it. We just need these two flaps. So that's the only difference, okay? That's why I chose to do this one together with you, because the rest is basically just gluing the stitched part, which is the decoration piece, like the layer. So there you go. We're going to glue this on the side, leaving a little outline like that. So that's ready. I'm going to zoom in because I think this is a little bit too far for you. I'm gonna put this away. This is the handle, guys. Oh my gosh, you can leave it open. I glued it because I think it looks nicer this way, but you can just leave it open. Not a problem. So you just fold it. You have these two scoring lines. Let me show you on the die set here because it's easier for you to see. So that's this die set here. See, it has the scoring line. So you just fold it, cut it, fold it, and if you want, glue it like I did with this one, okay? So basically, very easy. We have the front here. I put some foam just to make it pop a little bit, and I like to glue everything first and then assemble it. It makes it easier than to leave it for later. So we're just going to kind of place it here. That's good. Use my bone folder just to press it down. This is something that I bought from Hobby Lobby. You've seen it on my Hobby Lobby haul. I love that it's wood. It's a little piece of wood. I just added some foliage here. So we have the front, the back, and the side. So basically, we're going to use these two sides here and glue it. I'm going to make sure that I fold all the scoring lines first before you glue. Do that before you glue, because otherwise it will be impossible to glue it if you don't do this before. So there you go. So let's do that. I'm going to put some glue, and then you're basically going to do the same thing on the other side, okay? You can use double-sided adhesive if you want, but I like my wet adhesive because it gives me some wiggle room to just move around if I want. Double-sided adhesive is harder, so I'm just gonna press it like this. Make sure that you can fold it, and yeah. I'm gonna press with my bone folder just to make sure. I'm gonna put some more glue because I think I pulled it before I should have. There you go. Press it down. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. See, if I had double-sided adhesive, I would not be able to do all this movement here, all the moving around and pressing and making sure that it's aligned. So I'm going to do the same thing, make sure that the flaps are here at the bottom. See, so we have the sides ready. Very simple. This is a very simple die set. So I'm going to add this part here, which is the bottom, and then all we need to do, oh, here I am again, forgetting to do this. You have to do this before. So now that I started, I'm going to finish. And here we go. We are ready now to just fold it in like this. And last thing we're gonna do is glue the back, okay? This is a very, very simple die set. And like I said, if you want to add the back, I'll show you. Let me just finish this. Okay. Because you can, I love this die set because you can just do whichever way you want. You have two options, one die set and two final projects. There you go. So all we need to do now is, I forgot to add the, I'll do this at the end, okay? So here basically what we're going to do is put some glue right here, here and here, and then we're going to glue this right like that, okay? we have our mug or teacup or whatever you want to call it. So that's what makes it a mug, I guess. So we need to put the handle, and the last thing we're going to do is to put those, I forgot the snow. So we're going to do the snow. Better do it this way. So here we go, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put the snow because I forgot the snow. Can't, oh my gosh, hair, seriously, Paula? There you go. Make sure to check the whole collection, guys, because I only have like 3 items this month. But my goodness, I wanted more for sure. I just didn't have time to play with all of it, you know, because I did a lot of traveling. So I'm just gonna pull it up, and there you go. We have a little shiny snow melting away. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And then you can fill it up with your whatever you're going to put in here. You can put hot chocolate, you can put coffee, tea bags. This one I put hot coffee. See, the only difference between these two is that instead of doing twice, the front and back, instead of this, I just do the flat part, which is this. You just cut this and you glue it right here, and you have the back. So 2 options for you, both of them absolutely amazing. There you are. Oh, please let me know, which one do you prefer? I honestly do not know. But it does depend, doesn't it? I mean, are you giving it away? Are you doing this for craft fairs? I don't know. Let me know, because I cannot come up with an answer. But I really like the mug. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.